Hello, this is Arnold Rodriguez, and this is my video for the Enhancement 7 of the class CIT 336. This video we're going to see a little bit about the update of information of the account. So steps are the following. If we go to my account, we're going to get into the login page. Here I'm going to enter a user that is level 1. I'm going to enter its password, and I log in. So here we see the admin page, the admin PHP page with a name, and this is all information that comes from the session. And here is a link to take us to the update account information. So if I click here, we go to this new view, and we're going to see all the information of the user here. And if I, for example, remove this and just put Shise, Shui, and click update, your information was successfully updated, and we can see that the information of the user has been changed. Now if I click here again, I can also update the password. This password is not showing, of course. I can put something different. Change, and here, well, since I changed the password, I think Google Chrome is asking me to save the new password. So here, now I can log out and try the new password again by trying to log in. So I'm going to put the email and a new password, log in, and it worked okay. Now for the last step, if I click in the web developers tools and validate the local HTML, I can just see that the admin PHP page is valid HTML. It takes a while. Okay, so we see the document checking complete, no errors or warnings to show. Okay, so